Hey listeners, this is Mindful Talks podcast. Welcome to the ninth episode of hashtag Decoding UI UX. So we all have heard that books are the treasures, the real treasure that can be found on planet Earth. And the thing is, we have learned a lot from the books. It's just that nowadays people don't get much time to read, but that's a whole different topic to discuss. But being a designer, I think you all must understand the meaning of learning, and when it comes to learning, reading books can be a perfect option for all the designers out there. So today I'm here to recommend you guys 10 books that you should read in order to be a master of designing. And I'm very sure that after reading these books, your life won't be the same, both as a professional designer as well as in your personal life. Your creative approach will be changed. And when we say creative purpose will change, it does not mean that you will change completely. But yes, we can say that you'll have the updated version of yourself. Also, you'll get to know more about the brands, you'll get to know more about how your design will impact to the organizations and what flavors you can add to your designing and how you can basically improve from overall point of view as a designer, as a UI UX designer. And I'm very sure that creatively these books will improve you a lot. And just check out these books from a creative perspective rather than just technical part or rather than just the typical part. These books will help you more into the creative stuffs. And so without any further ado, let's get started. So the very first book is Building a Story Brand, written by Donald Miller. So in this book, Donald Miller's story brand process is a proven solution to the struggle business leaders face when talking about their business. This revolutionary method for connecting with customers provides readers with the ultimate competitive advantage, revealing the secret for helping their customers understand the compelling benefits of using their products, ideas, or services. Building a story brand does this by teaching readers the 7 universal story points all humans respond to, the real reason customers make purchases, how to simplify a brand message so people would understand it, and how to create the most effective messaging for websites, brochures, and social media. So whether you are the marketing director of a multi-billion-dollar company, the owner of a small business, a politician running for office, or the lead singer of a rock band, building a story brand will forever transform the way you talk about who you are. And this will definitely help you in your designing process, as well as when the clients or when the business owners ask you about their story, like to create such image that tells a specific story. So this book will definitely help you out in your own way. The second book is A Logo Modernism, written by James Muller and Roger Remington. So all logo designer should buy this book. There is 1,000 of logos in this book by the category, very inspiration logo in this book, and suggest every designer overall should purchase this book because it has some excellent designs. So you can just go through all the designs, and there are a lot of designs out there. So it's not just for your reference, but even for the inspiration. You can just check out these and get your inspiration. The third book is Logo Design Love, a guide to creating iconic brand identities, and it has been written by David Ere. So the book's blurb says that in Logo Design Love, David shows you how to develop an iconic brand identity from start to finish using client case studies from renowned designers. In this process, he reveals how designers create effective briefs, generate ideas, charge for their work, and collaborate with clients. David not only shares his personal experiences working on identity projects, including sketches and final results of his own successful designs, He also uses the work of many well-known designers, and like it is all overall an inspirational book. You can take it, and like it's all about the best practices for extending a logo into a complete brand identity system, or like why one logo is more effective than another, and like how to create your iconic designs and whatnot. The fourth book is The Elements of Typographic Style, and it has been written by Robert Bringhurst. So the book blurb says that the typographer and the poet Robert Bringhurst brings clarity to the art of typography with the masterful style guide, combining the practical and theoretical and historical. This edition is completely updated with a revision and updating of the longest chapter, that is Prolling the Specimen books, and many other small but important updates based on the things that are continually changing in the field. The fifth book is How to Use Graphic Design to Sell Things, Explain Things, Make Things Look Better, Make People Laugh, Make People Cry, and every once in a while change the world. It has been written by Mitchell Byrett. The sixth book is The Design of Everyday Things, and it has been written by Don Norman. The book's blurb says that the ultimate guide to human-centered design, even the smartest among us can feel inept as we fail to figure out which light switch or even burner to turn on, or whether to push, pull, or slide a door. The fault argues this, and even like liberating book lies not in ourselves but in product design that ignores the needs of users and the principles of cognitive psychology. The seventh book is 100 Things Every Designer Needs to Know About the People, Voices That Matter, and it has been written by Suzanne Winschenk. The book blurbs says that we design to elicit responses from people. We want them to buy something, read more, or take action of some kind. Designing without understanding what makes people act the way they do is like exploring a new city without a map. Results will be really confusing. And yeah, so you can read this book for your one another inspiration. Last but not the least, the book is Steal Like an Artist, 10 Things Nobody Told You About Being Creative. It has been written by Austin Kleon. This book blurbs says that when asked to talk to students in New York in the spring of 2011, Austin wrote a simple list of often things he wished he heard when he was their age. So yeah, as the title says, that steal like an artist. So don't wait until you know who you are to start making good work and put it where people can see it. Geography is no longer our master. Be nice, be boring, and creativity is subtraction. So yeah, after giving the speech, he posted the text and slides to his popular blog, where he went quickly viral. So yeah, this is another an interesting book that you should give a shot reading it. So yes, this was a really different kind of podcast in which we gave you the tips, but yeah, it was in a different manner, and it was like something unique, or what we can say a hatke episode. We will be keep on making such episodes. Thank you so much for showing your love to Mindful Talks podcast. We are getting very good plays on Spotify, especially if we say, and even the YouTube channel. So yeah, we will continue making such kind of episodes. Let's meet in the next episode. Till then, keep designing, dude.